y'all? It's your girl fiance back again with another video. As you can see by the title, we are doing something different today. We'll be trying on a cheap Amazon headband wig. I saw this and I was like, man, you know, let me give this a try, because the only thing I do is wear head wraps and stuff, and like they're cute, they're, you know, whatever, but sometimes, you know, you just want to switch it up. Okay, so I found this. It was like 20 something bucks, and the reviews on it were really good. I saw people's pictures and I was like, you know what, I'll give it a try. Sometimes things with like wigs and like other things on Amazon can be like a hit or miss, but it really seemed like people were feeling it, so I decided to check it out. Okay, so the wig came from GD Wigs and this little pink drawstring bag. I actually like this bag, very reusable. I probably will be keeping this even if I don't decide to keep the wig, but I think I will. I'm typically not like a wasteful person, and I usually can make things look good even if they suck. So I came in this super cute drawstring bag. It also came with two wig caps or whatever. I typically don't use wig caps, but for the purpose of this video I thought I would. I don't really use wig caps like that because I don't really wear wigs all the time, and also I have a very sensitive head, so wig caps kind of squeeze me. This one is actually fairly loose, but I know that once I take it off it will probably be like a relief to my head. I also have little ugly plaits underneath here. I will show you guys one of the plaits because yeah, my head looks crazy, but here's like one of my little plaits that I did. I was gonna do cornrows, but I did not have time. Y'all know me, I am very lazy when it comes to doing cornrows or really anything to my hair, and you know, I just did the little plaits and called it a day. Okay. So the wig came in this janky little plastic bag, and it had this around it. I did try it on last night just to see if I even wanted to make a video on it or if it was worth my time. The wig is very thick. I have to like brush it out. Not brush it, but it gives you that real synthetic vibe. It kind of smells like paper. And I guess that's what synthetic wigs smell like, but it's very thick. I think it said it was like 120 density or something like that. It comes with clips, as you can see here, and it also has the little Velcro strap right there to make sure it's really secured on your head. Chances are I will not be using the tightest setting on that because, like I said, my head is very thick. There's also a comb at the bottom too where the Velcro part is, so it gives you a lot of security. I probably won't be using the actual headband that comes with it because it looks very plain, and then it will give it away what it is. But this wig feels really nice. It's soft. It probably will get tangled a little bit because, again, it's synthetic, but I mean, synthetic wigs can take you a long way. You don't have to spend no $250 on some hair, y'all. But this is very nice looking. I looked at the reviews, and as of right now, I'm thinking it's matching up to what the review said. So yes, I would heavily suggest this based off the look alone, but we will try to try it on just to see how it is. Also, guys, the thing that I like about these random little hair companies or like the little Asian companies is the fact that they always give you little goodies inside. So like I said, it came with two wig caps. There's another one in the bag, but I have this one on. And then it also has three cute little headbands. There's like a leopard one. I really like this. So cute. Probably gonna give it to my mom later because she's obsessed with leopard print. Then they have this one, which is a little bit thicker. I probably will be using this one a lot just because I have a lot of clothes that color, and also it's just thicker. I like thicker, you know, just to cover the regular headband on there. And then there is this one, which gives you like little tropical vibes. I think it is so cute. But yes, I super enjoy the fact that it came with extra headbands, so then I don't have to go out and get some. But yes, guys, also I deeply apologize if I'm talking fast. I actually have to be somewhere after this, but I kind of wanted to co-mingle the videos because this is what I'm going to wear today. So we are going to try it on. First, we're going to unstrap the Velcro, and now we're going to just lay this on our head. Okay. Ooh. There's probably more effective ways to put on wigs, but I have no idea because I don't wear them all the time. Okay, so now we're just going to strap the Velcro in the back. This feels very, very secure on my head. So this is what it looks like when you first put it on. I haven't worn hair in a long time, so for me this is a little bit weird. She is definitely giving you inches. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it is giving inches, y'all. But this feels good. It looks good. Like, it's okay. I think I'm liking this. Let's try on one of the headbands. We'll take the leopard one and see what this looks like with it. Woo. Let's lift her up in the back. This is cute. Okay. You can still see a little bit of the black headband underneath, but it doesn't look terrible to where you're like, oh, maybe, I don't know exactly how you're supposed to wear these. Maybe I'm supposed to like push this back some so then you can see like a little bit of my roots and then maybe do my edges or something. Like, how do you guys wear these? I would love, love, love to know. I don't think you're supposed to put it all the way up. Like, this right here would be cute, and then I lay my edges. Look, I know for a fact my forehead is looking mad wild right now, but it is okay, y'all, I promise. So I think I'm going to slick my edges or something and then like come back and be like, you know, glamorous or whatever. Because like I said, I'm supposed to be leaving, so I'm going to do like a little bit to my face and then hopefully, you know, come back and then y'all like, wow, you did that. You look good. Like, good. Like, but yes, I actually like this a whole lot. Am I feeling myself? Am I feeling myself? Okay. But yes, I'm going to come back and then hopefully look bomb and then y'all gonna be like, wow, let me go get that wig. Okay? Okay.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
See, y'all kept playing with me like I wasn't that girl. Okay, so then I had to go and prove to you I still got it. You feel me? Like, what? Do y'all see this? Like, this is giving life. Okay, like, look. Y'all ain't seen me look like this in a minute. Okay? Your girl been slacking. Slack-a-lacking. But do y'all see this? Y'all see what I did for like $23? Oh, I'm back, baby. I'm back. Y'all can't tell me nothing. No thing. No, I'm playing, y'all. But yes, I really like this. This is so cute. I might look into some other ones. But like, I like the waves on this. So, I mean, I don't want to be too like repetitive because there's not many options for headband wigs besides like this little wavy or like some straight, and I personally don't think that I look that good with straight. I need at least like a little bit of body, some volume and stuff like that. But y'all see how y'all girl is doing. Y'all see how Amazon came through for your girl. Okay, I came on this camera looking busted, and now what you gotta say? Nothing. But yes, I am going to link this headband wig in my description box so that y'all can feel your best self too. Like, look at me. Y'all look at anyways, yes, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I think I might try some other Amazon wigs. Let me know if y'all found some before, or if you want me to try something else on my channel. I will see you guys on the next time.